Your life sucks because you won't sacrifice.
Stop dreaming like success is free. It's not.
It demands pieces of you, your comfort, your excuses, your lazy habits. People say they want a better life, but freak out the second something feels uncomfortable. Growth will cost sleep, weekends,
Fake friends.
stupid distractions. And yes, it sucks. Sacrifice always does.
This is the best halwa I've ever tasted.
Today I create a new flavor.
There's magic in her hands.
Can you cook for our puja tomorrow?
Yes, of course.
Welcome to our village food festival. Come and try the delicious snacks and sweets today.
Wow, this is amazing.
Wow, this is amazing. Are you a professional chef?
No, I just cook every day. She didn't chase fame, she chased mastery. Every day, every dish, every sacrifice. She didn't become a master chef in one day. She became one with every day, every dish.